Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. Today we're diving deep into Bitcoin. Buckle up, because we're about to tackle something called the halving. Sounds intense, right? Like some economic event straight out of a sci-fi movie. But fear not, it's actually a programmed part of Bitcoin's life cycle. Imagine a giant gold mine. The more gold you haul out, the less there is left, duh. Bitcoin works kinda similar. Miners solve complex puzzles to verify transactions on the network, and they get rewarded with shiny new Bitcoin for their efforts. But there's a catch. There's a finite amount of Bitcoin out there. To keep the flow of new Bitcoin in check, the rewards get slashed in half every 4 years. That's the halving, and it's expected to happen sometime this year, 2024. Here's the twist. Not everyone does the happy dance when the rewards get chopped. In fact, some folks might actually get squeezed. So, today's mission? We're gonna crack open who these potential losers might be and why. But hey, there's always a chance of a bright side, so we'll explore that too. Let's get cracking. Who are these Bitcoin miners? Before we dive into the losers lounge, let's meet the Bitcoin miners. Picture a global network of computers, all working together like a digital army to solve these super hard puzzles. These puzzles are basically cryptographic locks that secure every Bitcoin transaction. The first miner to crack the code scores a sweet reward in the form of fresh Bitcoin. Mining is the backbone of the Bitcoin system. It keeps everything secure and verifies those all-important transactions. But listen up, mining sucks up a ton of energy. We're talking massive electricity bills. So, miners gotta be smart and find ways to be efficient to stay in the game. The first group who might feel the halving pinch are the folks behind Bitcoin mining operations, the Bitcoin mining stocks. Here's why. Remember, the halving cuts the Bitcoin reward miners get in half. So, if a mining company was raking in $100 worth of Bitcoin a day before the halving, they'd be looking at just $50 a day after. That's a major revenue gut punch. With less Bitcoin to go around, things are gonna get competitive among miners. It'll be a fight to the finish for those smaller rewards, which could squeeze profit margins for everyone. As more miners join the party, the difficulty of solving those puzzles I mentioned earlier goes through the roof. This means miners need even beefier and more expensive equipment to stay competitive. Not everyone has the cash for that upgrade. So, what does this mean for Bitcoin mining stocks? Well, their profits could take a serious hit. Investors might get spooked and jump ship, sending the stock prices plummeting. Some mining companies might even struggle to keep the lights on if they can't adapt to the changing landscape. Hold on, don't hit the panic button just yet. There are a couple of things to consider. Historically, the halving has been followed by a jump in the price of Bitcoin itself. Think about it, there's less new Bitcoin being created, but demand might stay the same or even rise. That could push the price way up, potentially offsetting the decrease in mining rewards. The mining industry is all about innovation. We're seeing the rise of more efficient mining rigs and even the use of renewable energy sources to cut costs. This could help miners weather the halving storm. What does this mean for you? If you're a casual crypto investor, the halving probably doesn't require any major changes to your strategy. However, it's always good to stay informed about what's happening in the market. Do your own research, consider your risk tolerance, and make investment decisions that are right for you. The Bitcoin halving is a significant event, and it's important to understand the potential impacts. While there might be some short-term challenges, the long-term outlook for Bitcoin and the broader crypto space remains exciting. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Trading Critique. Thanks for joining me on this crypto adventure.